Hey guys! Thanks for joining in with me for another experiment in the Silicone Viscosity series. In this series, I'm testing a wide range of silicone viscosities to see if the thickness of the oil makes a difference in the cells that it will form in acrylic paint pouring. Today, I'm working with a combination of silicone oil and mineral spirits again. For this pour, I have some fluorescent paints and glow-in-the-dark powders mixed with Floetrol as my pouring medium. For the silicone oil, I'm using an equal amount of 725 CST silicone and mineral spirits combined. After I mixed all of my fluorescent paints and glow-in-the-dark cell activator, I had a hard time deciding what color base to use. Initially, I was going to use Reflex White, but I apparently ran out of it. So, just to see what would happen, I took all 4 of my lit glow-in-the-dark powders and combined them. The way I do this is to combine the powders with a gel medium. Basically, make a glow-in-the-dark paint first. Mixing them with the gel medium not only helps them blend into the pouring medium more efficiently, it also helps with the consistency. The powders aren't going to thicken the pouring medium a lot on their own, so using the gel medium will help get the same consistency as the other paints you have mixed up. I mix the cell activator that I'm using the same way. First, mix the powder with the gel medium, then add that mixture to the Floetrol or whatever pouring medium you're using. I added 3 drops of the 725 CST silicone oil and mineral spirits mixture to the cell activator only. I like to apply the activator to my palette knife and use that to swipe across the canvas. After each swipe, I clean the paint off and reapply the cell activator. I really love how well this combination has been working. The silicones on their own were neat, but the combination of silicone and mineral spirits is basically magic. The cell action is instantaneous and very active. It doesn't seem to leave behind any more residue than your average silicone oil pour does either. That was kind of surprising, actually. I really recommend that you give this combination a shot if you get the chance. I would love to know what kind of results others are getting with it. I have tried and tried to get good video of my glow-in-the-dark paintings and always fail. I did, however, figure out how to get some good photos. At the end of the video, I have close-ups of the dry pour in regular light and under the black light. I knew the colors were going to be somewhat dull since I was working on a black canvas, but I bought like 80 of these boards for like 50 cents each, so they'll be around for a while. While a coat of varnish won't bring them to insanely bright status, it will give them a bit more saturation. Under the black light and in the dark are where this one really shines though. The combination of fluorescent paints and glow-in-the-dark powders really pop out at you under the black light. In the dark, it basically turns into a light itself. Since I use so much glow powder between the base and the cell activator, the entire painting shines. It is definitely the brightest one I've made yet. The glow shot is at the very end, so make sure you don't miss it. Okay guys, I'm going to leave you to the rest of it. Let me know if you have any questions about this pour. In the next video, I'll be using this combination again, except I'm adding silicone and mineral spirit mixture to all of the colors. I can't wait for you guys to see the results. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe so you can join in with me for the next acrylic paint pouring experiment. I'll see you next time. Bye!